Law of conservation of linear momentum. When there is no external force acts on a system of particles, the total linear momentum of the system is conserved. Or the sum of momentum of the objects before collision is equal to the sum of momentum after the collision, provided there is no external unbalanced force acting on them. From Newton's second law of motion, that is, force equals rate of change of momentum, that is, F equals dp divided by dt. If there is no external unbalanced force, then F equals 0. Then dp divided by dt equals 0 or dp equals 0. dp means change in momentum, that is, final momentum minus initial momentum. So Pf minus Pi equals 0 or Pf equals Pi means linear momentum is conserved. Consider two objects having masses ma and mb moving with initial velocities ua and ub respectively, undergoes collision and acquire final velocities va and vb. During collision, a force is acting on A by the B, which we can taken as FAB, and force on B from A is taken as FBA. Then from Newton's third law of motion, FAB equals minus FBA. But from Newton's second law of motion, force equals rate of change of momentum. So FAB can be replaced by MA into VA minus UA divided by T. Similarly, FBA can be replaced by MB into VB minus UB divided by T. So the expression becomes MA into VA minus UA divided by T equals minus MB into VB minus UB divided by T. After cancelling T, we get MAVA minus MAUA equals minus MBVB plus MBUB. After interchanging the minus terms, MAVA plus MBVB equals MAUA plus MBUB or MAUA plus MBUB equals MAVA plus MBVB. So total momentum before collision equals total momentum after collision. Hence, total momentum during the collision remains constant.